we're gonna roll in and drop the biggest heaters of the night. It's gonna be a movie, real rock star shit. We're here, no tour bus, just us. Last weekend of his 20s, we're gonna go out hard, baby.
Go hard.
It's over after this.
Back in town. Oh God, our life's a fucking movie.
All right, let's drink some champagne. Ready tonight?
I'm so pumped. I got my favorite dog on.
Yup.
Sorry.
Oh, hey, what's up? It's a boy with a bag, and I love tech house, tiny dogs, and tequila.
We're hanging on by a thread.
What up? My name is Chris Diaz. I was conceived in Cancun. I take really cold showers, and I look real good today. Hey.
Our body. What up? I'm Sherm. I'm 30, but I look 27. I close my rings every day, and you can wake me up in the middle of the night, and I'll take a shot of Malort.
Hey man, you know what the fuck's good as Big Sue? I like playing with Legos, smoking Newports, and lizards.
We're kicking the flow, and it goes a little something like this, 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 like this.
Nasty.